Hi, my name is Nurman. Today I want to talk about how to get an Indonesian IP address on your phone or computer from any country in the world. Why would you want to do this? Well, as you probably have found out, some websites are blocked outside of Indonesia. These are probably going to be TV and movie streaming websites like Mevo TV, Metro TV, MNC, or TV One. They require an Indonesian IP for access, so if you're outside Indonesia, you get blocked. Also, if you have online banking or other secure accounts from Indonesia, but try to access them with a non-Indonesian IP, you might get restrictions placed on your account or even get blocked because security blocks foreign IP addresses. It's possible to get a secure private Indonesian IP address by using a virtual private network or VPN. There are many different brands of VPN services available online. Click the link below to read more about VPNs and compare some of the top VPN services, or go to www.changeiponline.com/get-a-Indonesian-IP-address.